Hello everyone, welcome back to Art of Homemaking. If you are looking for some ideas to organize your kids stuff, check out my channel. It has toys organization video and kids study desk organization, reading area organization. Check it out if you are interested. And coming to this video, this is a shared closet. I have organized my daughter's stuff and my son's stuff in the closet. Hope this video gives you some ideas on how to organize toddlers, boys stuff as well as girls stuff. This system works for elementary school girls to teenage girls, and I did not do any permanent fixtures to the walls, or I did not add any permanent shelf to the wall. At the same time, I did not spend any kid specific organizations stuff, and I just used things lying in the house. That's why you can see in the pictures there are different the storage bins are of different sizes, shapes and colors, because spending on kids related stuff is completely waste of money. It's just my belief, because kids grow up so fast and the current system may not work for them after 1 or 2 years. So let's get started. My daughter is interested to share the tour of her closet.
Hello everyone. So I keep my watches, and next I keep all my hair accessories like hair bands, and all stuff. Next, in this pink box, I keep tiny hair accessories, earrings, and I put them in different sections so they don't like clutter up together. Next, I keep my necklaces in this 4-section box. It has 4 different openings, so all my necklaces do not get tangled. Next, I have the same box, but they have different chains, and this is the same as the other one. In the next drawer, I keep all my clips. They're sorted out by color, so in busy mornings I don't have to search for them in a hurry. And then I can put them back directly in the colors they were, so they stay nice and neat. When I come back from school, I directly put these back so I know where they belong. So I'm gonna show you me and my brother's regular party wear. This is my brother's regular party wear. They're not ironed. My mom will iron them before a party. And same with mine. These are my lehengas, and my mom didn't iron them as well, so she will iron them before a party. These are my pajama tops and bottoms. It's easy to access each and every one. I can see them all too, and it is very easy to put them back. It will stay neat and organized for a long time. These are in these white bins. These are my brother's pants. This one is my brother's pants. You see some empty space, so some of the pantry. In this next white colored dotted bin, these are my brother's shorts, and you can see in these baskets, all of them. Next are my brother's shirts. My mom put them in this white bin so everything is visible, and other members of the family could easily access everything. This line, I store all my leggings. I help my mom to fold in the laundry, so I put these in rolling method so they stay clean. It is easy for kids to do, and it will stay organized. I love to wear leggings, so I have a lot. I have another bin of leggings, and I rolled these in rolling method too. The next bin is my brother's night shirts. My brother's night shirts and pants. So in the next line, I keep 3 baskets, 1 shorts, 1 night pants, and 1 camis. So if you see this old wooden shelf, we keep all stuff to be organized. These bins are not clear, so we added labels. In the last third line, we keep skirts, and as well, these are not clear baskets, so we keep labels on them. I have shorts, skirts, and some home shorts and skirts. In the next bin, I keep. That is the end of all these baskets. And the next, the last section is winter boots. My mom bought them on sale, and we kept them in this bag. These are mine, and those are my brother's winter boots. We see my shirts. I sort them out by tangs, t-shirts, and dresses and gowns. After laundry, I hang them. I usually don't fold them. So after my shirts are dry from the laundry, I immediately hang them. And next, I'll share with you how I organize my handbags. My mom used the over-the-door hook, and she hooked all the handbags to it so we won't lose them. So we won't lose them everywhere. Next, and this is the final view of how I hang all my clothes. And these are my occasional long frocks. My mom keeps them in these closed covers so they'll be dust free for a long time. And there is a hole in it so you could see which dress it is. And my mom will iron them. My mom will iron them because they will get wrinkled again if she irons them and puts it, so she will iron them when I decide to wear it. In this top rack, in these clear white bins, you could see heavy stonework party wear. Me and my brothers are kept here. Next is a swimming bag, and after that, the off-season winter clothes. Next is outgrown clothes. We give it to my friends or cousins, or sometimes we just drop it in donation. Next, these are my dance jewelry. There's bangles, necklaces, and other jewelry. Explain each and every box in detail. These are my heavy stonework. It will get spoiled if my mom hangs them, so she put them in this clear box. Next is my brother's occasional party wear. Special occasional party wear. He doesn't usually wear them to parties, so my mom keeps them in this box. And the same, they'll get ruined if my mom hangs them. Next is our swimming bag. My mom keeps goggles, swimming towels, and she keeps all our swimming suits and swimming wear in this swim bag. So this box are out of season clothes. My mom buys new clothes on sale. She puts all our winter clothes in here, and my brother wears them on winter. Winter jackets, winter gloves, winter sweaters, and winter pants. And everything is new in here, and all of my brother's clothes are stored in this box. Next, my mom keeps my clothes separately. I have the same things: winter pants, winter gloves, winter sweaters, and winter jackets. These ones are not new. These are just clothes that I wear every year. Jewelry. Next, in these clear white boxes are my party wear, like jewelry, all sorts of colored bangles, stickers, and in some sets of bangles, my mom put them in Ziplocs. Next is my traditional dance wear, like hair accessories, hair extensions, jewelry, and all sorts of stuff. Jewelry and other accessories for a performance, for a dance performance. Sometimes my mom, these are outgrown clothes, sometimes my mom gives it to friends or cousins and family, or otherwise she just drops it in donation. Next, I put hangers in this box and in this bin, so when I'm hanging my laundry, then I could hang it. Next is memories. We keep them in this closed. There's a bed storage box. We keep memories in here, like the first dress, me and my brother's memories, like the first dress, the first toy, the first glass, the first blanket, and some other memorable stuff. We keep all our memories here so we won't lose them, and they will stay safe, and we could look at them when we grow up.